In this video, we will show you how to apply anti-hotspot tape and silver protection tape on your polytunnel. This self-adhesive foam tape prolongs the life of your polytunnel cover by protecting it against heat buildup from the metal hoops and abrasion during extreme weather. First tunnels would not construct a polytunnel without using anti-hotspot tape. Here are the parts you'll need. Anti-hotspot tape is applied on all hoops. Some of our customers ask whether anti-hotspot tape should be fitted to all metal framework such as the ridge. Although the polytunnel cover may come into contact with the ridge, we only recommend fitting anti-hotspot tape to the hoops, where the polytunnel cover is under a lot of tension. It is very important that the operation is done immediately prior to fitting your polytunnel cover. This process should be done in dry conditions. Your hoops should be clean and free of dirt and grease. The adhesive will not adhere to the metal if it is not dry and clean. On the intermediate hoops, fit anti-hotspot tape in a straight line in the middle of the tube, starting and finishing approximately 10 cm above the ground or fixing rails if fitted. On the two end hoops, the polytunnel cover will touch the top and the side of the hoop, as it is tensioned down the end. This means you will be required to position the anti-hotspot tape on the edge where the polythene cover will touch. Silver protection tape can now be applied to the two ends of the ridge assembly. If the twin supports have been installed, then silver protection tape is applied to the ends of the twin supports also. Wrap the silver protection tape around the ends in a figure of 8 motion, until all the rough surfaces of the tube have been covered. Each roll measures 4.5 meters in length. Use approximately 2 meters per ridge clamp. You can find more videos to help you build your polytunnel and construct.firsttunnels.co.uk. We also have a construction helpline if you require any further assistance.